poor have had the good news preached to them. It's good news. Chapter 24, verse 14, Jesus said, the gospel, this gospel, this good news of the kingdom shall be preached in all the world for a witness unto who? All nations. That's good news. That's good news. Because why? Because it's for everybody. It's good news. Verse 26, verse 13, chapter 26, verse 13, he says, I tell you the truth, verily I say to you, wheresoever this good news is preached in the whole world, there shall be a memorial of what this woman hath done.
Kwanaka nemoyo Kwanaka nemoyo wangu dinovarane kutondera kuti zvitema zvangu zvesezo zvapera pamuchinjiko zvapera ndatenda nemoyo